Welcome everybody, this is Robert, and I'm going to help you set up your three-wave streamlining process through a series of videos. So the first thing we want to do when we start is I want you just to see what your three-wave dance library is going to look very similar to, and that's mine right here. So we just go down, you can see all these color-coded playlists that you're going to have. Most of them you're going to have. And so you just go through the color codes all the way down, kind of following the sequence of the rainbows. And it ends with this light blue. And you can see they have numbers at the beginning, and some of them have numbers and letters. And all of that is to take advantage of the sorting system that Spotify has, so your playlist can end up in the place that's going to be easiest overall for your working process. And notice that it's set to alphabetical right now. Okay, so now let's go build yours. This is mine. So starting from your library, first thing we want to do is clear out any pins you already have. We can put the back in a moment, but we're doing this because we want to pin your three-wave dance library to the top, because that's going to make things a lot easier for you. So the way you get rid of these pins is you select what the pin is on, and then for Macintosh, you're going to hold down your control key. For a Windows, you're going to right click. So on a Mac, you hold down your control key, click on it, and go down and unpin the playlist. And do the same thing for the next. Control key down or right click, unpin this folder, control key or right click, and unpin playlist. And so now you don't have anything pinned. And so we're going to create a folder. That's our next step. So we're going to come up here, click on the create, and choose folder. And it's going to end up someplace in your library. So just scroll on down. That's what the new folder looks like. So we're going to click on that. And we're going to go and click on where it says new folder and name it. And I'm going to recommend you call it three-wave dance library. And it's empty. And that's what we wanted. So now we're going to click back here where we're back in our library. And it's right here. So now we're going to pin it. So just like we did before, right click on a Windows, on a Mac, press down Control, hold it down, click on it. And why is this not showing up? There it is, pin folder. So now it's at the top. And I'm just going to go and pin back what I had up there so you can see how to do that. So I had this, so you can go to wherever you had beforehand, right click or control click, and just choose pin again. Actually, I'm going to not do that. I'm going to do this one because that's the one I want in place. And then this one. And then this one. Okay. And so you can see now I have my dance library where I want and my old pinned folders and playlists where I want. So now we're going to go into the three-wave dance folder. And it's empty and it's ready to be filled. And that's enough for this video. Next video is going to show you how to go to phase 2 of setting up your playlist system.